Hey, Raccoon. That's the moon right there. About 11:30 at night. Hey, you don't mind if I walk right up there on you, do you? You don't mind if I walk right up there on you, do you? That Raccoon, he don't care. He don't care if you walk right up there on him. He don't care. That Raccoon right there, he don't care. Raccoon right there. He's a nice raccoon. He's eating them Nilla wafers up right now, them Nilla wafers. Could I come up there real close to you? What do you think you're doing? Who do you think you are backing up away from me like that? You ain't supposed to be doing that kind of stuff. You hear me? You ain't supposed to be doing that kind of stuff. He knows what's in that bag right there. He knows what's in that bag right there. He knows what's in that bag. Oh, raccoon right there. You touched me? That raccoon touched his snotty nose on my finger. Oh, raccoon put his snotty nose on my finger. I was just gonna touch you on the side of you, right up here on the side. I'm just gonna touch you right here. I'm just gonna touch you right there. That's all I was gonna do, just touch you. No raccoon right there. Raccoon, I don't know if I can open this Ziploc baggie up with one hand or not now. I'm not that coordinated. Uh-oh, I did it. I'm not that coordinated. Yeah. These right here are whole ones. That's whole. That's not pieces right there. That's whole ones right there. That's a whole one right there. Look at that pecan. It looks pretty good. That's a piece right there. It's a whole one right there. Not perfect, but I put my hand on you. I took this hand like this right here on you. I put my hand up here on you right there and rubbed you like that right there. I rubbed you like I wanted to right there on your back right there. He gonna bite you. He done told you one time if you keep that up, he gonna bite you. A raccoon right there. About 11:30 at night time, Friday night. Well, one thing, the mosquitoes eat me up last night. I got bit 4 times with the mosquitoes last night. They hurt me. Oh yeah, Raccoon. I got an apple in there, Raccoon. I got an apple for you, and I got some oranges in there. And I got 10 pounds more pecans in there too. Pecans in the shell. My cousin gave me 10 pounds in a bag, a big old tall bag, over 10 pounds. And yeah, my cousin had pecan trees in his yard, and he normally gives me 30, 40 pounds of pecans every year. I'd get more than that if I wanted to, but I give a lot of pecans away to friends I know. But I just buy these shell ones right here like this because the raccoon is better for the raccoon there. I mean, the raccoon, he will eat the ones in the shell, but it's just too much work actually for him to get that little bit of meat out there, that little bit of pecan out of that shell. It takes him, 2 or 3 minutes to open one pecan to get all the meat out of it, get the pecan out of it. You got that cracker? You got that saltine cracker? And don't go put it in the water either like you did last time. That's a saltine cracker there with no salt. Saltine cracker, no salt. I feel like something pushing on my shoulder. Feel like right between my shoulder blades, somebody had a finger there pushing me. Don't put it in the water. Don't put it in the water. Now you see what you did? You see what kind of mess you just made? You just made a great big mess right there. And you're making a bigger mess right now. I told you, you don't never listen to anything I say, do you? You never listen to me, do you? Why don't you get your hands wet and then pick it up and eat it? That raccoon, that squirrel, they can use their hands. Oh, that you won't. Don't put it in the water. Look at him. There it goes in the water. I forgot I had some cranberries in there too. I had some cranberries I was going to bring out here and I forgot. Don't bite me. Cranberry right there. They good now. They are good. And the raccoons, they'll eat them cranberries there and they'll smack on them for 2 or 3 minutes there because they're so juicy. And raccoon right there. Touch that raccoon on his brain right there. I touch you on your brain right there. I touch you on your brain right there. I touch you on your brain right there. I touch you right there on that shoulder right there. I touch you right there on that shoulder right there. I touch that raccoon on the shoulder. Raccoon, I touch you on your shoulder. I'm tired. Some more pecans right here. You ain't a picky eater, are you? Look at that hand. Your hand was just going back and forth. Like there's something wrong with him. There's something wrong with that raccoon. Take this one from my hand. He took that one from your hand. Putting it in the water. Oh, my back is killing me. My back. Muscles in my back are pulling. He dropped some of it in the water. Well, it's floating anyway. He made a mess with this. He got that all dirty, messed up. Saltine cracker in there with no salt. He did the same thing right here. He got saltine cracker in there and no salt. There's a pecan in there now. It's about 11:30 at night time. He'll be back in a little while. It won't take him long. He'll be back. It hurts my back to bend over like that. All right. Put a few more pecans out there. You got a handful of them in there. Alright, I'm gonna go in there, finish my work, what I was doing, and I'll watch them on the security camera. Stop this video, stop. Oh, that was my friend. Stop this video, stop.